Lisa, what are you seeing yourself and hearing from Jamaicans about the scope of the damage on the island?
First of all, thanks for having me on. Hi, Erwin.
Hi.
So the scope is devastating. It's unprecedented in terms of a crisis, but I just want to make it very clear that all of Jamaica is not decimated. It is the southwest and the northwest parishes that have basically, as I said before on one of your programs, been almost apocalyptic. So you have St. James, Hanover, places in Trelawney, St. Elizabeth, and Westmoreland that appear to have and certainly feel like it has had a nuclear bomb fall on it. But certainly Kingston was spared, and some of the central areas and the eastern part of Jamaica, which is still open. Certainly Kingston doesn't appear as if Melissa even came over. We have lost roofs in some places and electricity. I was listening to the lady and she's right, because the power lines are still down and we have no electricity in some of those places. It's difficult to pump water, but the government is on top of things. They have the army in place. There's been tremendous international aid that is coming in from across the world. Jamaicans are pulling their weight and doing yeoman service in terms of getting aid to people, food. And so now there are command centers that are being established. There are committees that are in place. And the diaspora is really working to send aid in, as well as the diplomatic community and the multilateral community. So yes, it is an unprecedented crisis for us, but we're resilient and we're working through it.